In this video, I'm gonna show you how to activate Ethio Telecom SIM card. For this, you need to follow these steps. Step number 1. Insert the SIM card. Power off your phone. Turn off your phone before inserting the SIM card to avoid any damage. Insert the SIM card. Locate the SIM card slot on your phone, usually on the side or under the back cover, and insert the Ethio Telecom SIM card correctly. Step 2. Power on your phone. Turn on your phone. After inserting the SIM card, power on your phone. Wait for network detection. Your phone should automatically detect the Ethio Telecom network. This may take a few seconds to a minute. Step number 3. Dial the activation code. Open the dialer. Open the phone app on your device. Dial the activation code. Enter the activation code provided by Ethio Telecom. Typically, it is *812#. Press the call button. Follow the prompts. You might receive some prompts or a confirmation message indicating that the activation process has started. Step number 4. Complete registration if required. Register your SIM. Depending on regulations, you might need to register your SIM card with the Ethio Telecom. This typically involves providing your ID or passport and other personal details. For this, you need to research correctly. Visit an Ethio Telecom office. If registration is required, visit the nearest Ethio Telecom office or authorized dealer with your ID and the SIM card packaging. Step number 5. Configure network settings. Automatic configuration. Most smartphones will automatically configure the network settings for Ethio Telecom. If not, manual configuration. Go to settings. Then go to mobile networks. Then go to network operators. Select Ethio Telecom from the list. Step number 6. Take the SIM card. Make a test call. Try making a phone call to ensure the SIM card is working. Send a test SMS. Send a text message to confirm SMS functionality. Test data connection. Ensure mobile data is working by opening a web page or using an app that require internet access. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.